Hi guys, welcome back to my channel once again, and I hope you're all staying safe and well, and I hope you're all subscribed because you know I post daily for you guys. Now today I'm going to be doing the turmeric teeth whitening. This is my first time trying this out, and some of you may be thinking, what's this hype about the turmeric teeth whitening and toothpaste? And the funny thing is, turmeric stains everything and it's a yellow paste. So you're probably thinking, how is this going to help whiten my teeth? It's not going to turn my teeth yellow. And turmeric teeth whitening is actually an age-old and homemade remedy that is widely used in China, Vietnam and India, and it can also heal gum infections, and it is an inflammatory and antibacterial, so it kills germs and other microorganisms that cause gum and teeth problems. And the thing is, turmeric is 100% natural and free from any side effects, so it's better than whitening strips and any kind of toothpaste that says that they're promoting teeth whitening. Okay, and turmeric has a lot of health benefits and teeth whitening and skin whitening benefits, because a lot of people also use it to get lighter skin and to also remove pigmentation. And if you want to see more videos on my turmeric face mask, just click on my previous videos and you will get a look of that and see how I mix my DIY turmeric toothpaste. So as you can see here, I've already got my turmeric mixed up. And as you can see, the paste is quite thick, and this is what we need. We don't want it too watery. And my paste basically just contains salt, turmeric, and coconut oil. And as you can see here, I've got my toothbrush. I'm just going to dip my toothbrush in. Oh my god, this... Oh, and then... Oh my god. God, this is disgusting. Oh. So I'm going to leave this on for 3 minutes and then I'll get back to you. So guys, it's been about 3 minutes. It's been about 3 minutes. I'm just going to go over it once more. So guys, I am back, and my teeth, there does seem to be quite a significant difference, and I will say to you, try it today because it really does work. It really does work, it really does work. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, because I have more videos coming up daily, and I'm going to be using this paste for a whole week, and then I'm going to show you my end results. And as you can see, my teeth are quite, sorry guys, I've done that because there was a fly. My teeth are quite white, so this mask, this whitening mask really does work, so I really give that a thumbs up. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe and press that bell.